In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics 4 in just a few minutes. This process might feel a bit daunting, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step with ease. Starting off, we need to visit the Google Analytics homepage. This is where you'll gain access to all the tools and solutions Google Analytics offers for businesses. Once you're on the page, the next step is to sign in to Analytics. Now, if you don't have an account already set up, you will need to create one, but assuming you do, just sign in using your Google credentials. This will take you to the Google Analytics home. This home view gives you an overview of your property data, and from here you can access reports, tools, and customization options. From the Google Analytics home, our next stop is the settings section. You can find this by looking for an icon that looks like a gear, typically located in the lower left corner of the screen. Clicking on it will open up the admin settings panel where all the key configuration options reside. Moving on, in the admin settings, locate the option for data collection and modification. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage how data is collected and, if necessary, modify how it's processed. Click on it and you'll find yourself in the data flow area. Here, you're going to scroll down until you see an option called data streams. A data stream in Google Analytics is essentially a pipeline to your specific data source, like your website or app. Click on data streams and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage these pipelines. At this point, you should see an option called create stream. Click on it and here is where we'll set up your new data stream, linking your website or app to Google Analytics. You will need to enter some basic information like whether you're setting this up for an iOS app, Android app, or a website, and provide any necessary details about your platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully installed Google Analytics 4. Don't forget that once your data stream is created, you'll need to insert the provided measurement ID into your website's code or your app's SDK to start collecting data. By setting up Google Analytics, you've taken a valuable step in understanding your audience's behavior and gathering insights to make informed business decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Happy analyzing!